Hello. Today I wanted to show how I use a pre-made flow that I got from the App Exchange to put a quote of the day on my homepage for an app that I made. So first, let me show you what it looks like. I am going to go to my job tracker app. This is a custom app that I made to track job applications and offers. And I'm on my homepage, and you can see right here, um, it says quote of the day, and a quote pops up. And the cool thing about this app is because it uses a flow that each day the quote will change. So let me show you how I did this. First, you'll want to go to the Salesforce App Exchange. I think I just typed in quote of the day. And then when the filters pop up, I chose, I guess I can just click this, only flow solutions, and applied the filters. And this one comes up. This is the one I used. It's called Daily Quote Component. So you would just click on this, get it now. And since I've already installed it, I'll show you where you can find it once it's installed. You are going to go to Setup, and type in Installed Packages. See if it's here. And there we have Quote of the Day. Now, in order to have quotes show up, um, you will need to go to Object Manager, actually not Object Manager, go back to your app. Oops, I want to go to my job tracker app. And actually, I could have done this a different way. I am going to just type in quote of the day. It's a custom object that was installed when I installed the Flow package. Okay, so here's quotes of the day. I have already uploaded a few that the Flow can cycle through each day, but I chose to do affirmations. I thought it would be fun, depending on the vibe of your company. But you could do funny quotes, you could do memes. You know those magnets that, like, maybe when you were in college, you had these magnets that each have like random words on them. They usually had a white background, just a black word, and you could arrange the magnets and just make funny phrases. I feel like this could be that when employees go to the homepage, there could just be some funny quote every day that people look forward to. Or, like me, you could do affirmations, you could do cute pictures of animals, whatever you want. So let me show you how to add a new quote. So you would just go to New, and then it's a required field for the quote name. So the one that I have, it's about happiness, so I'll just label it happiness. And I just looked up positive affirmations because that's kind of my thing. And then when I right clicked on the image and I opened it in a new tab so that I can just copy and paste the URL into this image URL field. And I just want to show the image. There's no quote, but the quote is part in the image, and I don't need to show the name either. And then I'm going to save it. And here it is. So let's look at how the flow works. So I'm going to go to my setup and go to flows, and we'll look in Flow Builder so we can see kind of what's going on behind the scenes for this flow. So it was called Quote of the Day Selector. And if I click on that, it's going to open Flow Builder. And you can kind of see what's going on here. We have the start. Um, it's going to get records, make a decision. Did we find a quote? Yes or no. If yes, then it displays on the screen. If no, in action, then a decision again, yes or no. Um, so the nice thing about this flow solution is you didn't have to build it. All you have to do is enter your quotes in the custom object, and then every day it will cycle through, and you'll have a new quote show up on your homepage. I hope you enjoyed.